What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be telling you guys how to see the open rate, how to see the statistics of the email campaign in the Brevo. For that the process is very simple. Click in the link in the description. You will be redirected to this page. Log in with your official account and then you will be able to see this dashboard. Navigate yourself to the left hand side underneath the Brevo logo. You will see marketing option. Click on the marketing and here you will find the statistics option. Click on that. If you have a running email campaign, you will be able to see sent rate, recipients, open, clicks, unsubscribe, replies, softwares, hard bounce, all that stuff. Apple MPP open includes as well. So all the rates of the your email campaign will be shown over here. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.